As an experienced and leading floor supplier in Sydney, we have floors for every style and every budget. Today, let's have a look at Elegancy Hybrid flooring. Made of limestone and PVC composite, Elegancy Hybrid flooring is 100% waterproof due to its rigid core. It is suitable for kitchen or laundry. The commercial grade wear layer is resistant enough for both residential and commercial use. A high clarity design layer presents a variety of colours, from traditional to more modern appearances, or authentic wood grain to real tile looks to meet all interior aesthetic choices and designs. The deep embossed surface with UV coating presents an authentic timber feel, while also providing slip resistance. The attached IXPE foam layer enhances sound absorbance, simultaneously comfortable on feet, promoting a quiet environment. Compared to other floating floors, Elegancy Hybrid flooring has no formaldehyde emissions at all. It is DIY-friendly product, quick and easy to lay with no need for any glue or nails. Thanks to its waterproof core, Elegancy Hybrid flooring boasts easy maintenance and cleaning without harm to your flooring. For a good quality product and reliable service, contact your local distributors today.